Alright, welcome back to another video. So today's video is a quick one. Problem with my 2015 F150, and from the research I'm able to do, this seems to be a kind of a large problem with this generation of F150, so like from 15 to 18-ish. Alright, so when it's below freezing out, my windshield wiper squirter juice, you know, whatever you want to call it, windshield washer fluid, will not work. It's like it freezes up. I haven't started using like the most expensive stuff I could find, so there's no way the fluid can be freezing because it's full of this stuff that sits out here in the same temperature, and you can see it's not frozen. Alright, so obviously you go to use it and you hear the motor running, but nothing is coming out of the nozzles. Alright, so how I troubleshooted this at first is I found the line, and this is obviously the line where the washer fluid goes through, and it runs down here. There's a little connection here, and then it runs in to the tank here. And I pulled the connection apart here and tried it, and it was spraying out of here, so I knew the problem had to have been somewhere after this connection right here. I could feel pressure in the line, so to get in, there's some tabs here that we'll need to pry off. I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. Really just need like a little flat blade screwdriver. That was real easy. Alright, so I popped those two tabs. If I follow the line, you'll see there's this little tiny check valve right here. It's just this little black check valve. So let me pull that off there. Alright, so this is the problem. This is what freezes up or fails inside. The whole purpose of the check valve, if you care, is once you got pressure up here, it doesn't let it go back this way. And the purpose of that is so as soon as you hit the windshield washer fluid, you got something coming out the windshield. That's not important to me. What's important is that it works in the middle of the winter, because it's a safety hazard when there's a bunch of salt spray coming up on the window, and I can't do that. So there's two ways to address this. You can either just get a little barbed teeth or pass-through fitting like this and put that in there, which you can pick that up at any auto parts store. Get a little package of them for a couple dollars. Or you can just drill out the inside of this with a little drill bit. What you're basically doing is just destroying the check valve part of it by drilling it out. So that's what I think I'm going to do, because then it costs zero money to fix this problem. Alright, so if I take this little 1/8 inch drill bit, it will fit perfectly in the hole. So now I'm just going to carefully, see, like that, drill it out. After you drill it out, you want to make sure it's free flowing both directions. Once you blow it out, I just use little compressed air just to make sure. Just go ahead, reconnect it. Get everything tucked back up in here neatly. Make sure nothing's clamped off. Snap back down. Alright, so now we have windshield wiper fluid again. Alright, so that's all there is to that. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more. Until next time, We'll see you later, and thanks for watching.